We are on pages 82 and 83 in the science book. Science Lab. What process do you follow? Once you have your supplies, you need to determine the experimental procedure you will use in your experiment. The procedure is a step-by-step description of how to conduct the experiment with the supplies. Complete the procedure. Use a marker to label the storage bags 1 and 2. Take a piece of bread and use the tongs to dip it in the water in the measuring cup. Then put the bread in storage bag 1 and close it immediately. Next, use dry tongs to put another piece of bread directly into storage bag 2 and close it immediately. Put both storage bags in a dark place at room temperature for 6 days. Write down your observations in results. Storage bag 1. Are there any changes to the bread? No and no on day 1. On day 2, yes, in storage bag 1, but no in storage bag 2. There is no changes to the bread in storage bag 2, but there are changes to the bread in storage bag 1 from day 2 on. Interpreting and analyzing the results. What happened to the bread in storage bag 1 over 6 days? Its appearance changed. What happened to the bread in storage bag 2 over 6 days? It stayed the same. No changes. Did storage bag 2 work as the control group for the experiment? Explain. Yes, since there were no changes in this bag, it was able to be compared with storage bag 1 where the bread did change. Was your hypothesis verified? Explain. Yes, since the bag that contained the bread that was humid had fungi on it. What factor made the fungi grow on the bread? Explain. The water in storage bag 1. What other factor could have affected the growth of fungi? The temperature that is necessary for fungi to grow. In the experiment, if the bread were placed with a rock, would the same results occur? Explain. No, as fungi feeds off decomposing animals and plants where they can find nutrients and not of inert matter, such as rocks. How can you relate this experiment to fungi that form on the body? Explain. Humidity on the body can generate conditions for the growth of fungi, which would explain the growth of these microorganisms.